Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to change your birthday on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Go to the settings of Snapchat. Now tap on birthday. Then tap on your birth date. A calendar will appear at the bottom of your screen. From here, change your birth date. Once you change it, tap on continue. Now tap on OK. And you will change your birthday on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to change your birthday on Snapchat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.